Welcome, FRP is a Motorola Edge, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification. Now, as you can see, we have two different ways of unlocking it at this moment. So we have the pattern or using the Google account. Now, assuming we don't know either of those, we're going to begin the bypass by going straight back, tapping on the language and changing it to any kind of other language that uses a different keyboard. That can be something like Greek, Russian, or any kind of other languages. So for instance, as you can see, there's Greek, Turkey should work, all the Cyrillic keyboard ones should work too. So choose whichever one you like, and from there let's progress through the setup by basically getting back to the place where we need to type in our Google verification account. And from here on, I tap on the field, and for some reason it didn't actually show me the option, so I'm gonna go and change the language. So you can see there is no globe icon. That's what we're looking for. If for some reason it doesn't show up, you just want to go back and change the language. It happens sometimes, it's completely random. It's not the fault of the language, so I'm gonna change it to something else now. And for some reason it was in English for a split second there. Okay, as you can see, there is the globe icon. So from here, you want to hold it. It will bring up the different keyboards that we have added. Number one, let's switch to the QWERTY. So we have actually QWERTY keyboard. Hold it again and then go to language select, which is this text at the bottom, and tap on the blue text or button right here. And you want to choose any kind of language right here that has the arrow, so that there will be multiple keyboards here. And from here you have actually option for the three dots with help and feedback, which is the second option. And once you're in help and feedback, tap on the search bar right here and type in Morse code. So typing in just 3 letters seems to find it, use Morse code. Let's select that, tap on the play button right here, and wait for it to actually show up the 3-dot option. There we go. Tap on the 3 dots and go to watch later, which is the clock icon. This will take us to Chrome, so in here we want to accept and continue, and no thanks for logging in. Let's give it a moment. It's for some reason working really sluggishly right now. Now in the search bar you want to type in HardReset.Info. Like so. Once it loads, you can see that there is a 3-bar option. Tap on it, and this will bring up a menu. From here you want to choose download category. And in the downloads, you want to search for Android 7.1.2. As you can see right over here. So search for that, and once it finds something, tap on the download. There should be only one download link. Then scroll down and you want to hold the download option. This will pop up with the option to open an incognito tab. Now, not sure why it's right now in English, considering I haven't changed the language, but if you have the same option right now in English, then okay. If you have in other languages, the incognito tab is always the second option. So as you can see, there's the first one and then there's the second. So you want to open it incognito. Once it tells you that it wants to download it, tap on OK. Now any kind of action that confirms something is located on the right side, while denying action is on the left side. So opening, downloading, confirming, granting access is going to be always on the right. And as you can see right now it's downloading. You can see this by the icon, on the arrow with the progress. So give it a moment, and once it's done downloading, we'll have the option to open it. As you can see now it's done downloading, so let's open it up. And Okay, now we have, I believe, Russian. So you wanna accept this. We need to grant access to, or allow this Chrome to be able to install. So check this on, go back, and from here, install. So again, on the right. And once it's done installing, simply tap on Done, which is the one on the left side. From here, go back, and we need to go back once more. And from here, remove the Android 712, and now type in settings, like so. And again, there should only be one download, so tap on it, scroll down, and same thing again, hold it, open an incognito tab, OK, and open it up once it's done downloading. Then install it and open this up, so on the right side. Let's confirm whatever pops up, and from here we're gonna go to all the way to the bottom to where is it? I believe it's gonna be in here. Yep. So just look at the icon, so it's the information icon. So second last option, tap on it, then first option with the globe, and first option, tap on the plus, and you want to now add your language that you actually want to use. So for me it's going to be English, and then drag it over. As you can see, this changes the language of the system. And from here we're going to go back. Now make sure you don't go back too far, so just tap slowly the back button. You want to get to the main page of the settings. If you go too far, it will take you back to the Chrome browser, and from there to get back here you would have to re-download and reinstall the settings app. So once you're an English version of this, or well, whatever language you're using it in, what you want to do now is go into the apps and notifications, see all 30 something apps, tap on the three dots and go to show system. From here scroll down, if I can grab this. I'm gonna scroll down to G, and you're looking for Google Play Services. There we go. So Google Play Services and also Google Play Store. Tap on both of them one at a time. So as you can see, I'm starting with Play Services. Then you want to tap on the disable app, go back, Play Store, disable app, go back, and then go back once more, and there we go. So you should be then back in the main settings page, and from here you want to scroll down to accounts, tap on add account, and choose Google account. Let's continue. Okay. And from now on, we will be seeing this message pop up every so often telling us that the app has crashed, but it doesn't really matter. It allowed us to actually be able to add a Google account, which without this app, it wouldn't be possible. So in here, you want to insert your Google account. Now, if you don't have one, you can always create it. It's completely free. If you do, you can use that one, or also you can create a new one if you want to. So I'm going to use my own. Tap on next, and from here I'm going to put in the password, so I'm going to do that off the screen, and then tap on next. And from here, once it recognizes it, it gives you the terms of service for Google, so we need to agree to that. Give it a moment, it's going to load, and again there's the app crashing. It doesn't matter, as you can see there is our Google account. Without this, when you go to accounts and you try to add an account, this option for Google would completely not be here. So yeah, now once you add the Google account, you want to go back to the apps. So apps and notifications, see all 38 apps, go to system and scroll back down to G. And again, go to the Google Play Services, and this time you want to enable it, Play Store, enable it, and hold power key. From here, tap on restart, and once the device boots back up, we should be then back in the setup screen for Android. Okay, so from here, again, let's skip most of this. At this moment, it doesn't really matter what we set up. We still need to perform a reset of the device, as you will see shortly. So just try to skip as much as you can. Now, at this moment, it's gonna get us to the place where we were normally blocked by Google. And as you will see right now, it tells us account added and provides the info of the account that I have added right before the restart of the device. So let's tap on next and completely bypass this at the moment. Now keep in mind the process is still not finished, the device is still locked. So that's why I'm saying you want to get through the process quickly without actually setting up anything. It doesn't really matter what we set up. Skip, no thanks, and we should be right about on the home screen. As you can see, the app keeps crashing. Disregard that. From here, let's accept and continue, whatever it pops up with. Next, next. Let's allow, get started, next, and there we go. So we're now on the home screen. From here, let's go into the settings. So tap on the settings icon, scroll all the way down to System, Advanced, Reset Options, Erase All Data, Factory Reset. And as you can see, it gives us a message that this will remove our Google account. Now it will also remove the previous Google account that was at the beginning blocking us from going through the setup. So once you tap on delete all data, confirm that once more, the phone will literally begin unlocking itself. So let's wait for the reset to finish, and once it has, we should be then back in the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can go through the setup process as however you like. So I'm again gonna primarily skip most of it just so you can see that the device is now unlocked. And first thing that it kind of shows up is the ability to skip Wi-Fi connection, which is not accessible if the device is still locked. Now once more, like I said, you can add your Wi-Fi if you want to, log into your Google account and do all that stuff, add security, and everything will work just fine now. So let me quickly progress through this. And there we go. As you can see, now the process is finished, the device is fully unlocked. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.